What's up, you guys? We are going vlog number 4. So this time we're gonna go from downtown Calgary to the northwest part of the city in a scenic route. Yeah, we're gonna go around a little bit. Hopefully you enjoyed the last video, and if you did, a new one is coming up to you. So we just gotta get to the car and the music coming on and video goes on. So we'll talk to you in our destination. Alrighty guys, well, we made to our destination, so hopefully you enjoyed this video as well. Hopefully you like the last few vlogs. Those are just driving around the city vlogs, or wherever I go and I'm able to show you a little bit of road, whatever I can show you, I will. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Click that subscribe button, click the bell notification, and comment if you have any questions or comments. Other than that, thank you for watching, and till the next time.